Use Wonder of the World for coughs, colds, and chest congestion. In traditional medicine, you simply chew on the leaves and suck on the resulting pulp. If you are interested in making a batch to be used over the course of a few days, try this method. Warm 13 fresh Wonder of the World leaves over a fire or in a microwave. Pound into a poultice using a mortar and pestle. Squeeze the juice into a small pot. This should yield at least 6 to 8 tablespoons of juice. Add the juice of 3 limes and 2 ounces of honey to the pot. Simmer on a low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from flame and allow it to cool. Store in a bottle. Take 1 tablespoonful every 3 hours for 2 weeks. Remember, when treating any medical condition, do so under the supervision of a doctor.